I never thought I would do this. People are going to be shocked. And they warned me, a lot of people told me not to do this. But I'm going to do it anyways. Today, I'm going all in on Hex. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to Ben Armstrong, Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. Hello, Hexicans and Pulsions. And then if you leave Pulse Chain, are you an expulsion? Pretty funny, isn't it? I want to talk to you guys today. This video is not for anybody else. If you hate Hex, or you don't like Hex, you hate their community, if you hate Hexico and the Hexicans, if you hate Pulse Chain and pure DeFi, then go ahead, if you don't mind, leave. This video is only for people that like Hex or are open to the idea. So here's the thing, guys. I've got some really big announcements I'm about to be making for you guys. First of all, I am going to I'm going to be speaking with, I think the guy who's organizing it, I believe, speaking with him tomorrow on Monday about attending the Hex conference. I can tell you for sure I will definitely be attending the Hex conference. If I was forced to buy my own ticket, like a normal person, I would do that. My hope is maybe I get to speak or lead a panel or be on a panel, something like that. I would love to do that. So I will be attending. I believe that is on March 6th through the 9th, if I remember correctly. It's a Pulse Chain conference. I have more details about that. I think there's some Hex stuff rolled around it too. But Hex and Pulse Chain are all obviously in the same ecosystem, different projects, not 100% same communities. Pulse Chain, I just did, by the way, just did my ranking and price prediction for Hex and for Pulse Chain. And of course, I have discovered this, I didn't know there was E-Hex and P-Hex and E-Pulse and H-Pulse and Z-Pulse and all this stuff. But the point is my price predictions will just be based on the Ethereum versions for now, and then we'll see after that. But I will tell you, Hex did rank a little bit higher than Pulse Chain for this bull run. But in reality, I actually think overall, I think Pulse Chain actually has more potential than Hex, but I don't think for this bull run for price wise. But we'll see. We'll see. I think Pulse Chain is going to spend this bull run proving it can hang with the other chains, and we'll see what happens because I believe they can. But that's the first announcement. I will be attending for sure the Hex conference in Las Vegas, or the Pulse Chain conference in Las Vegas. I am doing some work, hopefully it looks like, with the Pulse Chain Foundation in regards to helping Richard and some of the legal stuff and get our message out about what true DeFi is. And that's what this is all about, guys. And I do want to say this. A lot of you guys who are Hexkins, you may have felt some kind of way about me. You know what? I had a pretty good relationship with the Hex community. I know there's definitely some people out there that were loud and whatever. But I always feel like, even though you guys knew that I was neutral on Hex, I feel like we always maintained a good relationship. I never said anything bad about you guys. I've actually said you guys are right up there with the Cardano community, aka Raider Gang, and also XRP Army. I'd say you guys have a stronger community than the Solana soldiers. It might be leadership. Maybe it's the Sultan of Solana. Speaking of the Sultan, let's check in on him real quick. The Sultan comes. Show the Sultan the meme coins, the SPLs. Oh, I'm hearing voices. Voices from the prison. Sam is saying bye. Caroline saying, Sam told me to do it. Oh, Solana lives. So as you guys can see, the Sultan, he's got a lot of work to do if he's going to get his Solana soldiers up to standard with the Hexkins. But the Hexkins have been driving a lot of conversations about DeFi for a long time now, and I think it's really interesting. And I do believe that as you guys are coming into my community, the Hexkins and the Pulse Chain, I don't know, what do we call the Pulse Chain army? I'm not sure. But you guys can tell me that. I'm sure you guys know. I don't think it's Pulsions. I think I just made that up. But the fact is that, we do have Bcoin, and I want the Hexkins to know that we are going to be integrating Bcoin into a lot of the things that we do to encourage the Hexkin army, I guess you call them, the Hexkins themselves, and people around that, to support Hex through what we're doing with Bcoin. Bcoin's going to be we can't partner with Hex, right? Hex is decentralized. You can't partner with Hex. We could partner with the Pulse Chain Foundation. I do see that potentially happening. That hasn't been a conversation exactly that we've had yet, but I am very interested in that. But I want you guys to learn more about what Bcoin is doing and what we're doing here at Ben Armstrong Crypto X. And if you look down below in the description, and I'll pop QR code on the screen. This is for our Substack. This is our Ben Armstrong Substack. We have made some killer calls on here, and this is the second announcement. I'm going to make 3 Hex announcements today. Now, guys, one thing you can do with Hex is you can stake it. And if you didn't know, Stake is also the main sponsor of Ben Armstrong Crypto X. That's right, guys, the world's largest social casino. You can buy gold coins. You can get Stakes Cash. How cool does that sound? Stakes Cash. Maybe we can give away some Stakes Cash on the show. That would be cool. QR code on the screen. Link in the description down below. Set up your account with Stake today. And remember this, guys. Ben Armstrong Crypto X is powered by Stake. Second announcement I'm going to be making. We are going to commit to including 1 Hex or Pulse chain story, for now, 1 per month in our weekly newsletter. So every single month, you guys can look forward to 1 story at least that's going to have something to do with the Pulse chain or Hex ecosystem. And I can tell you, Bcoin, we're very interested in going multi-chain, and Pulse chain being one of the ones we're on. V1, I think, is already over there, but that doesn't matter. We're on V2. V1, Ben.eth did that. Good luck to him, whatever he does. But it doesn't have anything to do with us now. So if you are in the Hex community, our Substack is absolutely free. We do have a paid version, a paywall. I think it's about half of it's free, half of it's paywall, somewhere thereabouts. Leah Blue on Twitter and John Vibes, 2 of my writers, they've been working hard on this. They've been dropping killer knowledge. We just had an NFT that I think it's 7.5x, almost 8x recently. We got a few that were 10x. I think we had a 20x call in the Substack. So those calls do come from the paid version, but even some of the stuff we've done, the free version has done absolutely phenomenal. So if you want to sign up for that and get it for free so you get your Hex story, link down below in the description, QR code on the screen. Would love for you guys to sign up for the paid version. It's not very much. I think it's 45 bucks a month, 40 bucks a month. It's not very much, guys. I can tell you that. But guys, it's very cheap. It's not very expensive. And if you've been following the calls, you've definitely made enough money to pay for it. So anyways, guys, here's the third announcement. This is probably what I think would be the biggest announcement for the Hex community. So I'm going to give you guys my plan. I want to start a Hex podcast. I think we're just going to go with Hex, understanding maybe in the subtitle, the Pulse chain and the whole ecosystem will also be included. So what I want to do is, I'm behind on Hex, guys. Richard tried to tell me about it years ago. I should be a zillionaire based on Richard's, encouragement to get into Hex, and I'm not, because I was scared, because I was a little baby. And I was so afraid that if Richard was a scammer, what if he scammed? What would it do to my reputation? Who cares? So anyways, the point is, I'm behind on Hex. I'm behind on Pulse chain. A lot of you guys have been in this ecosystem for a long time. And so what I want to do is I actually want to take the Hex and Pulse chain community, and I want you guys to teach me how to Hex. So that's the name of the podcast, Teach Me How to Hex. Here's what's going to happen. We're going to have pillars of the Hex community come onto the podcast, and basically they're going to sequentially teach me how to Hex. Of course, early on, I did do some sacrificing, and I did have some Hex very, very, very early on. And I did sell it, unfortunately. I wish I had held on to it. I still made a pretty good bid on it. But the point is that even that process was really complicated for me. I remember using the platform, the Hex Win or whatever it's called, and I was just like, man, this is so complicated. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to go in my DMs on Twitter. They're always open, by the way. You can always send me DMs on Twitter. I want you guys to start sending me DMs for people that you think I should have on the show. Now, what I want to do is I want to get to where I know the first 10 people are going to be on. And then I want to get with the community and order them, the order you think we should go in, who's going to be able to get me the furthest. I want to build on every episode to build on the last episode. So by the end of the podcast, we're looking at dApps. We're looking at other ways to use Hex other than in Pulse chain. Maybe looking at some coins that ported over to Pulse chain that are doing well, stuff like that. So we want to start with Hex and then maybe bring in some Pulse chain people down the road. So you guys go ahead and get in those DMs. Send me those. Sign up for the Ben Armstrong Substack so you don't miss your Hex newsletter that'll come out every month, one story at least, maybe multiples. Might move it up to weekly at some point if it starts going well. You guys don't forget to check out Bcoin. Go to @joinBencoin on Twitter. Click the link tree, and then make sure to join the Telegram group. We want all the Hexkins in our Telegram group. You don't have to spend all the time in there, but we would love just for you guys to come show support. Our community needs it right now. It's been a tough few months, and you guys know, the Hexkins know better than anybody what it's like to have people turn on you, stab you in the back. You guys know what it's like to have everybody make a mockery of your leader, which is what is going on right now. There's a New York Times story about my Lamborghini getting stolen. or getting taken from me. And, it's not it's one of these things where it's not a bad story. It's what happened. It's the story. And so it is what it is. But of course, now you got all these people mocking me now. And, this is a time where we need a lot of support, and we're really asking the community to step up. I'm not defending myself publicly. You guys want to go defend me. We do have, by the way, a new chat for the mods. We have a Discord server for the mods. Eventually, I think we're going to turn that into a Ben Armstrong Crypto X Discord server. But anyways, guys, I really appreciate all of you. Hex community, looking forward to getting involved in this podcast. What I want to do is I want to plan to debut it during the conference. Maybe we can actually do the first episode live or something. And then starting in March, we'd have all those episodes ready to roll. And I could do a lot of those interviews for the podcast while I'm out there at the conference. So I hope you guys are going to be there. Have some more information on that soon. Maybe some links. Who knows? Maybe they'll give me an affiliate link and I can make money when you show up to the conference. I love that. Or not. I don't care. Anyways, guys. All right. Thanks so much. Can't wait to meet that community in real life. That's all I got. Hit the like button on your way out. Helps keep the lights on. Be blessed.